Good morning. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think that caught a little bit of it, but here, but it was not enough. I wanted more. I think we rebound. I think we rebound today. Yeah, it'll do that to you. Yeah, I think that caught a little bit of it, but I think we have a good day today. We'll see. I feel like we're gonna rally. Feel like we're gonna rally back, bounce back. The ending down here is the 6.18% fib, which is strong, should be strong support. If it goes any further, I expect to bounce around the 424 925, so around the 25 area. Uh, I think we will get bounced there at the 925 if it see the bleed more, but I don't know. This market wants to bounce. Yesterday was a lot of news that created headlines, that created this sell win, especially it was mostly OpenAI CEO Sam Altman with his letter of intent trying to would pretty much ask government for a bailout, which like investors like wait hold on, why you need a bailout? Why would you ask for something like that? And it worries the market. And since OpenAI has his hands in everything, this is why we rally in the AI bubble. Uh, Things start to sell off. Tech sell off. Tech sold off, and now um, then he after that he wrote a long letter, pretty much saying, "Oh yeah, no, that was not. That's what not really meant. Da da da. His finances is fine." Trying to walk back what he said, just seeing how everything started bleeding. But the damage is done. Let's see if that gets repaired. Let's see if smart money comes in and buy the dips today or not. It is Friday. Let's see. I think November is going to be those months where we might even end the month slightly negative. But overall, we should be chopping around this month and towards December. Some things that could help the market is once the government shutdowns end. Positive that right now, there's a bunch of nerves still going on. I think it should end soon, especially coming around the Thanksgiving Eve travels and all that airlines congestion. This government shutdown is not helping, and it adds a lot of pressure to both sides. So they're gonna get something done, and I think it's gonna be something done pretty soon, weeks, and that's gonna help the market come back a little bit. Gonna go easy today. Still playing just micros. Still playing micros. Good thing about all the dip is a lot of things are now on sale. And good names, you guys have been holding long term. Buy those dip. Like you see right now, Meta is kind of strong after hour. I think that's gonna bounce back. I think even even Nvidia is not that strong, but we need to see that strength in Nvidia. We need to see strength in XLK mainly. Just look at XLK later to see the breadth of the market for techs. If XLK start to turn up, uh, expect a rally back. You done trading today or what? I thought you were done trading, bro. You lock it up. You have some other account you trying to get some money off of? Oh, okay. Well, how you gonna do that? You trade off her account? Oh, see, I don't know that. Man, you gotta be watching. You gotta be careful of that because they look at IPA address too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they look at that like, hey, why are you trading with the same IPA address with different name? Yeah. So, yeah, because that just screen. Yeah, that's be careful, man. They can ban you and her. So don't don't risk it on something stupid. Yeah, because that'd be caught. Yeah, just so you know, because if you do that, everybody would have done the same thing with you with the good traders. You know, oh, okay, trade for me, a master, blah blah blah. No, trust me, man. Just before you go, just be careful. Yep. Just so you know now. Yeah, you can get banned from it. You don't want that. Unless you're like at her house using her computer or something. You know that? Oh yeah, because the same the IPA they would not know. But it's your IPA, it's your computer. They'll look into like and like suspicious activity, and you get busted, and you like what the fuck? Oh really? Yeah. See, just because maybe you haven't make money like that, but just if they wanted to come down on you, they got a reason to. Let's just put it that they're like, hey, you gave them a reason to, so I wouldn't. Yeah. Google. There we go. And he beat it picking back up. I know it. Nice bounce from Nvidia. Let me see strength from this tech. We on a downtrend here. I think once we have to respect those EMAs. There's been great resistance so far. So a break of EMAs is key. First indicator when it might go long, and then a break of rewap for sure. We're heading back long. But like I said, there is still a little bit more room down here. There's still a little bit more room down. I'm not even looking at gold today. Maybe I'll look at it right now. Just feel unnecessary to look at. Yeah, school is dumping too, huh? More of a range though than anything. I don't mess with gold. There we go. Get the 5-minute orb. Look like we're on and pushing to the downside. Things start getting heavy. Ooh, gold's getting heavy too. When are we gonna short that? Gold getting super heavy too. Well, that's a short. Kind of missed that. Yeah. Let's wait for a pullback. Okay. Wants to. Oh yeah, Nvidia keeps selling off. Makes sense. A lot of things are selling off too. Meta, Microsoft. That's okay. The big red candle. Okay, here's the possible support I'm talking about. Let's see if it comes to reject here. Okay, you gotta go to bounce around here. Nice one. Let's see how strong this bounce is. We don't want to get in the first couple bounce. We have any data though. So nothing. University of Michigan sentiment at 7 o'clock. Okay, that usually does a spike, but that's always been negative sentiment because it's a bias thing. We have Fed speaker, inflation expectation at 8. Consumer credit later at 12, but that's too late. Yeah, I'm still spiking down. If we don't bounce around here, we have a structural problem now. Now it's just momentum taking over. Expect support around here. I'm gonna go long here. Wait, I'm actually gonna wait for this candle to close green. My stop will be underneath this low. Taking a chance with one con here. Okay, I'm going long. My stop gonna be under this 916. It's an early entry long. Uh, 925. Might get stopped out though. 952.75. Stop at my stop 916. Oh, it's risky though, cause it's kind of early in. Just risking $72 though, right? We can rally up back to the orb high. Let's take that chance and go long. Okay, we kind of getting that bounce here. Nice risk reward ratio. I need to see more threshold. We talk about adding. I want to see a bigger chunk candle. Give me some confidence. Before I want to add. See, like this, I don't want to add yet. I am getting in my way, but there's no point. It's so close to your entry, right? You want to see it a little displacement out of your entry before you want to add anything. So you still really risking real. Your risk is really low right now. That's why you want to keep it at. Until you see like, okay, there's momentum coming in. The second candle is positive. I'm like further exceeding my entry. I feel good about add here. Be safe. But then you can try to stop up a little bit more. See, like that. That's what I like to see. You know. Okay, I was like, all right. I'm gonna add one more. I kind of like that candle here. Should have waited for the close of that candle, but I saw it coming down, rejected, and then came back up. I do like that setup. I'm gonna add one more. And if I like it, it's another move, next another candle, I'm gonna add one more. Well, I'll still try and trail up a little bit. You know, we can still reject off the EMAs. So we're not out the woods yet. Let's see. This first 9 EMA, let's just break through it. But I'm trailing my stop candle with a candle still, minimizing my risk. If this candle closes strong, oh man, that'll be good. I'm in for another. I'll add another one. This closes strong candle, break above 90 MA. I'm adding. But you see, kind of here, we kind of have a problem here. The first 90 MA rejection could be the back and then rip. Could see it. Looking good so far. Hopefully we caught the bottom. If this is it, we caught the bottom. Man, that'll be a lovely day. I'm riding this thing to the moon. There we go. End it strong. There we go. End it strong. I can't add there yet. It's not a strong candle to add. But it's a good candle. Here we go. Keep going up. That could happen right here. That's why I didn't want to add yet. That's okay. That's a 90 MA rejection. Let's see if it stop us out here or not. If it stop us out, I'll look to add again later if it's come back in. I'll go back to the low. Let's bring my stop back down to original. Let's see what happens. Feel a lot of wick deck there. Hold it. Just hold it. There we go. I think there's some strength left. Back in. Just has to hold. Come on. You can do it. Big bounce. Engulf the, yes, engulf that candle. Yes, take the stop out. Yes, come on. There we go. Engulf that other candle. Just engulf it. Engulf that candle. Yeah. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. Let's go. Very nice. Come on. A little bit higher. A little higher candle. Engulf that candle. You can do it. Yeah. Oh yeah. That candle and higher. I like it. But I need to see a little bit higher before I add. But so far I like that. I like that misdirection. Come on. Let's see. I need to close above that though. That's a weak close. No, that's a weak close. Can't have that. That's a very weak close. Oof. 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 Yeah. That's terrible. I got think that slam. That's gonna cause it to go low above me, man. Oh man, try again. Not really. I don't like that last candle close. It's concerning. I'm just gonna trim one again. Nope. Okay. Try again. Try again. All right. Try again. Back and long. Let's try again. Back and long on the cup. Both rejection candle. Damn. Both rejection candle, not EMA. Come on. Come on, buyers. There we go. Let's step the fuck in. So far, it's choppy here, man. It wants to hold. It really wants to hold, come back up. XOK is doing that. Vita is doing that. We get it. We need to get the tech to join the rally. Give us a bigger push. Well, we still in it though. We still in it. Let's this be the real move. Let that be the real move. I like that. Okay. I'm gonna add 3 more here. While trailing up my stop. I like that. The push back above this. Last candle push down. I'm also gonna have, like I said, self stop 3. Be careful. Got a trail, got a trail. Okay, stop out 3. Looking forward to add again. Still choppy here. A lot of choppy action. Let's sell one more. No. Wait, I might add back again. So add 3, stop out in 3. You have 2 left. Yeah. It's trying to make a push here, and I like it so far. But we there's one more EMA that we need to break above. It's 21 EMA here on a 90-minute. I think we break above that. I think we're good to go for long. But it's been a little bit choppy here. It's a struggle. It's a struggle. We got to elevate it down. We're gonna get a stairway back up possibly. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna test the 21 EMA. We're gonna test that. That's where we always see rejection, this pattern. But break out that rejection. But if you guys are in it, where we'll start this, you can trail some profit here. If you didn't add anything, you can start trimming some contract or scale up a little bit. Original stop, we never got stopped out. Okay. Looking good here. Okay, this 90 EMA is where we struggle all the time. We can break that. I'm looking to add in back in 3. Looks like it wants to do it. How's Tech doing? Tech is bouncing? Yeah, Tech is bouncing back almost thing. This is strong bounce. We gotta break this 90 EMA though before I add. So far, nice bounce though. From where we got in. Right? Very nice. Okay. I'm gonna add 3 more here. I'm liking that. Just not seeing rejection up wick off that. I like it. Strong bounce. Strong bounce. Keep going. Just keep going. Going for us. Start trailing up, guys. Try your stop up. Strong bounce so far. We're testing that. Now we're testing the orb low here. We could get rejection here too. Let's break above this orb low. Orb low rejection is highly possible. I'm gonna start trimming some just in case. Safe. Orb low rejection is real. I don't want to fall victim to that. See, you're getting wick already off the orb low. And still one more. Then be safe. I'm back to this one corner to stop there. If I could break back up, I'll add aggressively. Yeah, orb low rejection. You should stop out in profit. All said and done, probably much gonna break even if it gets stopped out here. If I just held my 3 a little bit longer, would be okay. Okay, we got data came out. Consumer confidence. This should probably wake me out, wake me up. Let's see. Yeah, that's consumer confidence came out. That data's always been biased to one side. It's not surprising to me. You guys should stop out and profit. Good job, Qua. Made your money. Good job, buddy. Yeah, I'm good. This looks like more. Actually, there's gonna be a lot more upside in this one right here. Wait for this data to come out. The selling candle stop. I think we're getting a bounce, and this time we rip face after this pullback right here. Looking for another entry. See how this candle closes. This is just a fucking consumer sentiment bullshit that always shoots down because it's biased in one side. And right now it has a reason to. I mean, see the market down. Oh yeah, of course. Now everybody just like, oh yeah. When the market's up, was doing the same shit. Bad consumer confidence. Also, we got that here, the overload rejection. And that's why I started selling trimming contract. It was like, hey, this overload could be a good rejection. They'll be safe there. Didn't make as much as I wanted. I want continuation, but that's the game we play. I think I made like, well, made like extra 700 in the cup, so that should move me up. Let me check the dashboard. Yeah. 9, yep. I'm 30, 100, 245th place. I feel good about that, man. Moving up in the cup, baby. I'll be right back. Gotta wake my son up. But I am looking too long. No, we're not low. Looking too long, but now came back. That not that does not constitute a long right now. We see things selling off. XLK selling back out down. Rejecting the 21 EMA, so we're no longer long. But that was damn. That was a nice orb low rejection play. We should have played that. That was a lot better, huh? Okay, so we're rejecting off this 9 EMA again. The bear, the sell is still winning. Sell is still winning. All right, we just breached the golden zone fib, the 618. So that's really bearish. This is a seller's market right now at this point, and unless we come back up here, it's looking really bearish. That's look at that sale candle. If we look at the Fibonacci, right, from we even go from this low here to high. No, I think I measured from this low, this high. Yeah, we're right underneath it. Right underneath the fib. Oh, good bounce. But it's not enough. Is that enough? Okay. I'll go along here. I'll try this out. That's a nice bounce. It's going long. This time, let's see if we can really bounce back up. I am in long again. Let's see, long at 960. Stop at 892. And TP was gonna look for 1111. Low of that candle is my stop. Looking for momentum play. I like how that that really got the candle back. That's nice candle. That's really nice candle. I'm gonna try long here. I'm gonna add two. I think there's momentum in this play here. One more. Going up. Come on. Break out of this right here. I think we're gonna break out of it. break the structure. If we break up both or blow, we break the structure. We looking good. Has to do that first. We're still in the bear structure. We gotta break this. 46.50. The or blow. So far so good though. So far so good. I like it. I like it so far. It is Friday. Come on. Give me last push. I'll take some profit. I promise. Promise I'll take some profit. There we go. $300. Nice. Maybe I just let it go through it. Go through it all. Took one. Took another one. Oh, just three. Pretty much break even here. Home three break even. High. I have a higher target. If we can go higher, that's great. There we go. Come on. We gotta break out of this right here. I want to see it break out of it. Let's trim one more. Just holding two now. Shit. That makes sense. Here we go. Just holding two. Pretty much break even. All right, stop that break even. Stop on profit again. I might add to this right here if we get to bounce. But we made like 230. Right? It's not bad. With a positive. I might re-enter. Depends on what this thing does. Pull back to the 21. I think the 21 EMA and 9 about to cross in the 2 minute. That's bullish cross. Bullish EMA cross here. I'm back in, but tight stop though. I'm gonna stop it. Just stop it at 962. I think we hold there. Back in one con. Just risking $110. Will not get the orb. Oh, rejection again. There we go. There we go. Make it stand. Make it stand. Believe in you. It's game over for seller, man. We break above this orb low. It's game over for them. It's gonna rip back up high. I think it's gonna bear flag a little bit and then gonna rip. Watch. Setting up for it. Bringing up for next leg up. Watch. Come on, you can do it. Just keep tapping the orb low. It wants to break it, man. That's a lot of stop. That's a lot of stop up there too. To break that, a lot of sellers stop and then have to turn into buyers. A lot of seller stops up there. Stop them out. What's up, Juno? Pretty long here at 50-17-25. Waiting for this to break or blow. So I can see higher. Get rejection of the low at 46.50. Yeah, I'm long again. I'm long. I'm long at 50.17. But it's a little risky. A little risky. Need to break or blow, right? If you want to wait for a safer entry, just wait for a break or blow. I think we get a break or blow if you have more confidence. This is a little bit more risky here. Keep rejecting here or blow, so. But I only with one con. Every time it pushes up, it's getting knocked back down. There's a lot of sellers up there. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop out. First time I'm gonna stop out. Not in profit, so if I stopped out there. I'm still looking too long again. Okay. We're fighting here. I'm gonna go back in long. I have my stop here at 923. Feel like it's like a back and forth here, this level. Kind of choppy, but I think Bears one. Oh, sellers winning this fight right now. Exocad selling back up. Let's see where's Nvidia. Nvidia heading back down. Yeah, come on, man. I need more strength in this tech name. Need some strength in this tech name. Meta, Microsoft. Need to push somebody. That's Tesla. Even Tesla's negative. Come on. A lot of negative name. I just need some positive, you know. SMH down 2% to 2.9 cents. I might have to cut this. I was looking for a strong bounce. Okay. Back to entry. Not bad. Okay. At 986. Stop. Stop at 923. We break above this, I'll add aggressively. Or pie. I'm gonna add aggressively. I'm gonna smash 5 cons. That's when I know things are looking better. It needs to do it for me though. Do it back and forth all the time. Just my stop up. Previous candle low. I'm adding to this if we break above that 50.46.50. Hope we don't stay in this level forever. That's major chop. Come on, how much time left? Hey, what's your time? What's the rush? Nvidia, come on, Nvidia. Put it together. Nvidia, Apple, pull together, guys. Rally the market. Look at Apple. Apple's doing strong though. Yeah, actually, Apple doing really good. Apple doing really good. Apple's probably the only one that's helping. Young towards flat. Microsoft is decent. Meta is just not doing shit, but it's choppy here. Trying to hold. Everything's trying to hold, but it's all pressed underneath its 20 EMA still. Ah, I think that's a stop out. Once again. Ah, what's the code? You probably expired already. I think it's probably expired. I don't have it. I have to look for it. I haven't got a stop out yet. I got 5 more minutes. Maybe it was your time. Just in case I don't get wicked off. It's a little lower. I'm gonna have an order field here. Limit buy. Stop by 5. Start to break above here. And then the TP up here. He wants to bounce. I'm gonna lower my stop a little lower now. I'm wicky. Don't want to get wicked off. Okay. 4 more minutes. I have to go. I have to end the stream. But I'll probably be back. Thanks for joining. I got daddy duties. We're just chopping in this range here. As you can see, or blows still present a problem. one problem with me trying to get in early for the rally is I experienced this chop. I just need Nvidia to pull its head together, man. It's not doing that. Need Nvidia to be strong. So far, it's been rejection after rejection of the look at the 5 minute and 20 EMA, just rejecting that straight down. Not a good look. Not a good look. This looked like a stop out situation. Yeah, and we just keep. Yeah, I'm just gonna tap out. I tap out early. It just doesn't look good. It's all right. Positive $1 still. I'll be back. We're just in chop zone. Kind of range. I'll be back. And I'll have to end the stream now. We'll probably be back later on. We'll see. Thanks for checking the stream out, guys.